Now for the first one, what you got to do is you're going to take, this is super easy, right? You got to isolate, you got to bring all of the z factors to one side. So you subtract by z here, right? You subtract by z, and you get z plus 1 is equal to 0, or z is equal to -1, right? You just move this. So that's why this is your answer. Well done. Exactly right. Well done, Sahil, Anne-Marie, Nadira, Yuri, Tanya, Jovina, Martin, good to see you. Joel, Vic, Nigel, Safiaz, excellent. Herman, Sahil, Ahmed, Shravani, excellent, excellent, excellent. Well done, guys. Well done, Zanur. Excellent, excellent, Rosie. Good to see you as well. Okay, so now this part is good. Let's go to the next part real quick. Over here, this is the linear equations, right? This is all that we've done in our linear equations just earlier this week. Okay, so initial value 60, as we've told. Then you're going to take the weekly payments. Immediately, you're just going to put in here, and then you're going to put the alphabet right over here, right? Super easy. Welcome, Tomkia. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so that's why C is your correct answer. Okay.